Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, March 16th. We're looking at the SPY Triple Q's IWM ETFs here on Window Trader, their market profiles. And right now, with 75 minutes to go prior to the opening, both the SPY and the Triple Q's looking to possibly gap above yesterday's highs and price spikes, while the Russell is smack in the middle of their profile, as you can see, trading right around their 11 wide POC. We've made another new high in the overnight here in SPY, so that's going to be our highest destination. So let's go over our destinations and game plan for this morning. So right now, since we still have 75 minutes, we'll use Friday's high. We'll use yesterday's highs, both sides of the equation. 396.69 was yesterday's high, and then as of right now, 397.20 is the pre-market all-time high, but we're trading right now at 397.10. Good chance we'll see something higher than 397.20. For the downside, if we gap higher, yesterday's high of 396.69 will be our first destination. And we don't have anything to the price probe. K's high, 395.51. And then again, until we get more market-generated information, 392.30 is our overnight low, and 392.03 is yesterday's low. So again, wide destinations on the downside. We'll also keep an eye on A's high and M's low from when the market basically spiked from yesterday. Even though we came into it in L and M, we'll see how that reacts if the price probe fails. So, game plan for this morning. Well, if we do gap higher and the gap is probably less than $1, I'll look to take a call play. There's nothing above us. Remember, we do have the Fed tomorrow. Question is, how much does this market want to reach prior to the Fed speaking? We certainly know they're not going to do anything with rates tomorrow, but it's obviously going to be his press conference afterwards. So, does this market want to reach 400 prior? Possibly. That remains to be seen. One thing that's very disappointing so far is the early volume. Only 200,000 shares so far pre-market. But if we gap high, I'll look to take a call play. I'd be out if the gap fills because M's range is way too big to take too much heat. I would look to take another call play against the price probe. Again, if that fails, out. And then again, you could take another call play basically against A's high, M's low to see if that holds. So those are three places where there were buyers yesterday. See if that holds this morning. Put play right now early, there really isn't one. If in the next 75 minutes we end up not gapping higher, we open inside M's range, you can take a put play against yesterday's high and get out above it. Or, again, you can take a put play against the overnight high to see if they front run it. But I really think we need more market-generated information to really take a put. Same thing here with the NASDAQ. Now, here's the big thing with the triple Qs. If they open around where they're trading, they would stop the one-time framing down in the weekly. It would also be an inside week up. So that would be very, very important for the triple Qs and the NQ. So let's go to the charts. I'll show you SPY, and then I'll show you that chart that I'm talking about. So first SPY, I'm just going to show you the daily. We came out of a 2-day balance to the upside. We're attempting to get distance away from that. The daily would be healthy and up, monthly's up, and the weekly, like I said, I'm calling it balance right now. I want to see how we close the week. But if we continue this move up and get above these 5-week highs, well, then all 3 time frames would be up. But again, we have a lot between now and the end of the week. And then triple Qs, here's your inside week. We need to take out 319.86. We're trading at 320.64 pre-market. If you take out last week's high, inside week up, you go with it and monitor it for continuation or lack of. So if they get acceptance back into it, if you're long, I'd be out of the trade. If you stay above it, you play it from the long side. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.